Alright.
Oh, God. He come and popcorn with you.
No water.
I use some cream people take it and that's down in throat.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video, we are going to be doing something a little different, showing you guys. So mom and I are doing a homemade bake sale basically, and why we call it a bake sale is because we're not just doing cakes alone. We do different varieties of like pastries and stuff like that. So this is our second time doing it, and we decided this time, you know, we're gonna show you guys like, you know, little bits and pieces of what we do. So we are starting our preparation and, you know, starting to bake today. We just give you a little rundown of what we're doing. We're doing sweet potato pudding, a blueberry and a lemon loaf with like a lemon glaze. We're doing cookies and cream cupcakes, carrot cake with a buttercream frosting, and cinnamon rolls. And all of these are done in like, you know, little mini personal pans, done to order, and all of them are going in like, you know, some little personal cake tins, so that we don't have to, you know, get into cutting anybody's thing or anything like that. So whatever we bake, it's whatever, you know, they get, how they get it in the tin. So first thing we are working on this morning is potato pudding. Mom is doing her little mixing up right here. So mom is doing her little mixing up for our potato pudding right here, because that's what we're putting in this morning first. She did start already. We have some coconut milk here and just some little extra flour. These are 2 pans that we'll be doing, because we're doing the potato pudding by slice compared to the other stuff. Yeah, only the potato pudding is being done by slice. Everything, we have mini cake tins that we're baking them in. I do think though, maybe a little bit more rum. Yeah, a little more rum. Adding a little rum now. We had vanilla already, right? Okay. I mean, what if you had brownie? You put brownie in something.
No, I put a little molasses.
Oh, molasses. Molasses.
I put brownie. I don't know if nobody else put it. I don't know if anybody else do it, darling. I don't do it.
So this is kind of like a mass production. No, this is not mass production.
No, this not enough.
This isn't enough to call it mass production, honestly.
In a rich mass production stage.
Yeah, not yet, but we're working there.
Mass production is when lots of people is in the mix.
But just me and
that's why you hear this. So you mass production.
That's just me and mommy. So.
I put more nutmeg.
See it here.
Me nutmeg.
Wait, great. Okay guys, so our sweet potato pudding mixture is finished. Now we are going to wrap the tops in foil paper, and we're gonna put them in the oven. Everybody knows the sweet potato pudding take a little time to bake, so this is why we're doing it first. The double lining it. The foil paper.
Okay. Yeah, all of them. Now do it like this for the front.
Alright. The foil paper here not bad.
No, I'm right.
Oh. Well, no, I never eat it initially get anyway.
Let's check on it and then soon after that.
Yeah, me too.
It's not. Step aside. It's not nice to go get it on now.
Alright. First one going in the oven.
Hey, the blood of Jesus is against me. Nobody with me today, yeah?
No, it's supposed to.
Oh, I'm not having my meeting, man.
Oh, yeah, burn it. You want to burn it?
That's it, I tried it. That man, everything I run too smooth. You know?
Alright,
good now? Turf.
Alright, so hold on, Pande.
No man, we watch it. No matter trouble it.
Oh, okay.
First, oh, I mean, go in.
First, oh, you go in there.
Alright. Put 2 2.5.
Yeah. True, Alexa not plug in right now.
2.5. We must clean up right here, son.
Alright, so I'm setting the timer. Alright, so we're going to do 2.5 hours for this, and we'll check it in between, and then mom's gonna start shredding some carrot for us to start the carrot cake and the soft top for on it as well. Okay guys, so these are the sweet potato puddings after about almost 2 hours now. Yeah, almost 2 hours. More than 2 hours? But at 2 hours and 30 minutes for it now, so.
Alright, so me put on my soft top.
So mommy is putting on her soft top. This soft top look really nice.
Yeah, you put on, you have a different way now. Some people put on the soft top. The soft top hook up on the pudding when the pudding almost baking. That a lot of people not understand, you know, but everybody do them thing.
Syrupy, you know.
If you just stay upon it now,
so it have that like a sticky texture on top.
Everybody do them thing different. So
some people don't like it with
some
the
people
soft
don't. Me not put too much on it though, you know, cause you not have to put too much.
Yeah.
Some people deliberately just put too much and kind of turn off people. Some people love a lot.
Some I like it. I don't like too much. But
I don't like it too much.
But I do like a nice like a layering of it. It
but
brings
the
it
top, the soft top gives it that nice look. So basically my pudding there almost done.
Almost
now,
finished, yeah.
So I'm gonna lower the oven now for the next about 45 minutes. So I'm gonna just maybe I put on the more pan. It depends on when it's how much it's set. So I might soft top then that you know. Okay. So you're gonna leave it now to lower the oven.
So 350?
Let me not show them how to make potato pudding already pan. Yeah, how much you have there now?
375.
Yeah, put it down at 350. Maybe the next 10 minutes I come put on the next coat. That's the next coat.
Alright. Alright guys, our soft top is looking so far. It's been in the oven for a few minutes. Mom is testing them. It was a cake tester.
Put in there already.
Make sure that they're ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys, I didn't get to show the mix up or catch when we were mixing this up, but these are the blueberry loaves. They're in the oven now at the moment. They're gonna take like about 50 minutes to an hour to do their thing. So we are waiting on those at the moment. So the last thing we have left back to do is the carrot cake. Okay guys, update. Here are our mini blueberry loaves. Yeah, blueberry lemon loaves. So they're looking like these are the blueberries right there. You can see everybody's nice and golden, and we're very happy with them. This is our first time trying them, and they turned out really well. So they're gonna stay here and cool. They're supposed to have a glaze, but not right now. We're not doing that today. But they're gonna stay here and just cool down for the rest of the night, and then we just have the carrot cake left back to do. Okay guys, so update. We have done cupcakes and we have done carrot cake. The carrot cakes have been done for a while and they are sitting here being cool. The cupcakes just came out of the oven. This is one set, and then the next set is over here. These are chocolate cupcakes and we have to frost them with like cookies and cream frosting. I have one more set to do, so I'm doing basically 3 dozen. So I have one more to do because we only have 2 pans, so I have to wait until these cool, take them out, and then I can do the next set. Okay, so here is inside of our fridge where we keep the cakes. So here we have the sweet potato pudding in these like little clamshell containers with the slices, and then we have the blueberry lemon loaves right here. They're supposed to get a drizzle on top of them, but we're going to do that later, and then we will put the final touches on it. These have their little thank you stickers on them already. So the sweet potato pudding is basically all done, and we're just gonna finish up the lemon loaves, finish up the carrot cakes with the toppings and the cupcakes, and then we have the cinnamon rolls to do last. Okay guys, so update. It's about 7:30. I'm almost like 7:40 now. We are finished for the night. Tomorrow, which is Friday, is delivery day. So we're packing up for tonight honestly because we're super tired. We're supposed to do we were supposed to do 2 frostings tonight. We're supposed to ice the cupcakes and do the frosting for or frost the cupcakes and decorate them, and do the frosting also for the carrot cake. But we're tired, we couldn't get to do it. And we also didn't have a certain ingredient that we needed because we just forgot. We have a lot doing this week, we forgot. So my brother is carrying that, but he's coming home a little late, so it doesn't make sense like we stay up and we're tired and stuff. So what we're gonna do is call it a night, or we're gonna wake up early tomorrow morning and we're going to finish icing and all of that stuff, decorating, putting the final touches, and then we are going to do we're gonna write up on the bags and do the packaging and all of that little extra stuff. We have to wake up pretty early to get it done because, you know, some have to go out early and then we're going on the road early. We really don't want to be out there in the traffic. That's too much for us, honestly. So let me give you guys also a preview. Right here, our cinnamon rolls are finished. The 2 batches, they're all done. And they're gonna stay right here and cool for the night because they are still warm. So the frosting will go on those also in the morning. We were planning to frost those in the morning anyways. Here is our boxes with the cupcakes in them so far. They're not obviously frosted and decorated as yet, but we will be doing that in the morning. We'll be doing that in the morning. I have the boxes for the cinnamon rolls over there set. It's lined with parchment paper already, you know, just to keep the cinnamon rolls in there from, you know, any spilling or anything like that, or, you know, messing up the box or anything. So I've already put parchment in there and stuff like that. And we have our bags. Let me show you guys. Here we have our bags for everybody's order, and we're gonna write on them in the morning. Not everything will get a bag, honestly. Yeah, not everyone will get a bag. Some of them have to go, which is like the cupcakes, with things with the frosting, they have to go into our thermal bag that we have, just so that they can keep cool and not melt because the time is so hot. But yeah, that's it for tonight, guys. We are going to bed and we're going to wake up back tomorrow morning to do the finishing stuff, and then we'll be done. Okay guys, so we are all finished. It's the next morning, the day of deliveries. We finished, packed out everything, did all the finishing touches, and just giving you guys an overview of what everything looks like. These are our cupcakes, all decorated and all finished. Yeah, and then we have our cinnamon rolls over here. This one's a little foggy because I treated it in the fridge, obviously, but yeah. Sweet potato pudding over here. These are the slices. These are in like clamshell containers, and then these are the blueberry and lemon loaves, and then this is the carrot cake with buttercream frosting. So now that this is all finished, we are going to do packaging in the bags and labeling and all that stuff. Okay guys, so all done, everything is all packaged. We had our bags which we had written the names on and stuff, so we packaged everybody's bag up and we put some little stickers right here on all of them just to seal them, you know, so that nothing can really get in there. They have just like the privacy of their pastry in their bag. Basically, that's the best way we decided to package it. But yeah, this is everything, and we're finished for now. Some of them are going out now, and then I'm going to take a little rest to go on the road to deliver the rest. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. This was us just really showing you guys little bits and pieces of how we do our homemade bake sale. This is our second time doing it. Yeah, and it's okay, it's pretty good. So I'm really tired right now. I'm gonna end the vlog here, so I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye.